Hello children, today I'll make weighing scale in front of you. For that you just need one hanger, a pair of scissors, thread, paper cups and anything as weight. So I've taken 2 erasers. You can use anything, whatever you have. So let's just equal length of threads. We need 2 equal length of threads. So this much would be okay. So let's just cut it. And now after this, make 2 holes in this paper cup, one here and one on the other side. Now take any one thread, pass through this hole and tie a knot. Similarly, insert another end of the same thread into another hole. And again tie a knot. Now repeat the same thing on the second glass as well. Now setup is ready. Now take one setup, hang on one side and another set of glass and thread on the other side. Now my weighing balance is ready. See, I am holding this hanger in my hand. You can also fix it somewhere like on a wooden stick. Now let me add weight in one of the glasses. See, it's bending towards this side. If you keep on adding weight, let me add some more weight in this. So let me add this roll as well. See, it's going towards this side. So this way you can make your own weighing balance today at your home.